Now fourth sum of 5.2. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So the AP is 3, 8, 13, 18, like that. Okay. Now you have to know which term is 78. 78. So an is equal to 78. You want to know that n is what? Okay. N you have to find out. So let us take A. A is equal to 3. What is our D? 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So N is equal to 78. What you are asked to find out? N. Okay. You are asked to find out N. So let us find that N. So using the formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, or An is equal to, An is our 78, that is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into 5, or 78 minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, 75, that is equal to N minus 1 into 5. Now if you want, you can open the bracket, then subtract and do that one, or you can directly divide with 5. So 75 by 5, so it will be that is equal to N minus 1. 75 by 5, so it is 15. You will get 15 is equal to N minus 1, or N is equal to 15 plus 1, that is equal to 16. So N is equal to 16. Otherwise what you have to do? You have to open the brackets. 5N minus 5 is equal to 75. So 5N plus 5, that is 80, is equal to 5, and you will get then 80 divided by 5, that also you are getting N is equal to 16. So this way you can find the value of N. So how we started from A is equal to 3, D equal to 5, and An is equal to 78. Our aim was to find out N. Okay. So just applying the formulas, that only. Now fifth one, find the number of, now fifth sum, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So first one 7, 13, 19, like that, 205. So our A is 7 there, D is equal to 13 minus 7, 6. An is equal to 205. Then N is you are asked to find out. Okay. Now what is An? An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 205 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 6, or 205 minus 7, that is equal to N minus 1 into D, that is 198 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. So 198 by 6, that is equal to N minus 1. So it is 33 is equal to N minus 1, or N is equal to 33 plus 1, that is equal to 34. Okay. Now second problem. Now 18, 15 and a half, 13, like that it is going, negative 47. So here also N you want to find that one. So 15, A is equal to 18, D is equal to 15 and half minus 18. 15 and half you can make it 31 by 2. Now 15 into 2 plus 1. So 18. So take LCM 2. 31 minus 36 by 2, or D is equal to negative 5 by 2. Okay. Negative 5 by 2 means it is 2 by 2 and half. Okay. Negative 2 and half. Okay. Then AN is, our AN is equal to negative 47. Okay, n you have to find out. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, or that is negative 47 is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into negative 5 by 2, or negative 47 is equal, negative 47 minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into negative 5 by 2. So negative 47 minus 18, so both are negative, so you can add that one. So it will be negative 65 is equal to n minus 1 into negative 5 by 2, or cross multiply negative 65 into 2 by negative 5. So negative negative you can cancel, so it will be a positive quantity. Now 65 divided by 5, so it will be 13 into 2, negative 26 is equal to n minus 1. So n minus positive 26, that value is negative negative will get cancelled. Now positive 26 is equal to n minus 1, or n is equal to 26 plus 1, that is equal to 27. So 27th term is our negative 47 by 47. Okay, so here also just apply the formula. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now sixth one, you see, check whether negative 150 is a term of AP 11852 etc. So here you have to check whether negative 150 is a term of that AP. So AP is 11, 8, then 5, 2, like that. Negative 150 comes in that one or not? Negative 150 comes in this one or not? That is the question. So when we discuss the examples, I already told you, you can take this one as AN, then you are asked to find out n. If n is a positive integer, then only we can say this particular term will be a member of this series. Okay, why? Because n means number of terms, so n should be a positive integer. Okay, so let us check that one. What is A? A is 11, D is equal to 8 minus 11, that is equal to negative 3, and our AN is equal to negative 150. You are asked to find out what? N you are asked to find out. Now negative 150, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to negative 150, that is equal to A, that is 11 plus n minus 1 into negative 3, or negative 150, then minus 11, that is equal to n minus 1 into negative 3. So negative, both are negative, so you can add that one. So negative 161, that is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Now divide that one. Negative 161 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. Okay. Now look at this one, negative 1 by 3. You know that it is negative 3. Here also negative 3 will come. It will be a positive quantity, but it's not an integer. 161 is not a multiple of 3. No, 161 is not a multiple of 3. So you will not get an integer there. So negative 150 will not be a member of this one. So we can 161, just divide and see. 5, 15 and 1, then 3, 9, 2, that means 56.666, like that it will come. That is n minus 1 is equal to 53.666, or n is equal to 54, that is 53 plus 1, 54.666, like that. So as n is not an integer, positive integer you can write, positive integer, negative 150 will not come in the series. Okay, so if n was a positive integer, then negative 150 was a member of that series. Now here you are getting a decimal number, so it will not be a member of the series. Now find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So you are asked to find out A31. Okay, this one you have to find out. What is given there? A11, that is 11th term is given as 38 and 16th term is given as 73. So 11th term means A plus 10D. 10D is equal to 38. So A plus 10D is equal to 38. And what is the 16th term? A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now you are asked to find out A31. For that you need A and D. So you can solve this one by using linear equation formula or by another method that we already discussed. So what is that? A plus 15D you have to split into A plus 10D plus 5D, that is equal to 73. So what is A plus 10D? That is equal to 38. 38 plus 5D is equal to 73, or 5D will be equal to 73 minus 38. 73 minus 38. Subtract that one. So you will get 5 and 3, 35. Okay. Now 5d is equal to 35, or d will be equal to 35 by 5, that is equal to 7. So our d value we got as 7. Now put it in the equation. So first one or second one, a plus 10 into 7, that is equal to 38. So a plus 10 into 7 means 70, that is equal to 38, or a is equal to 38 minus 70. What is 38 minus 70? 32. 32. A is equal to negative 32. Okay, our a is negative 32. Now you are asked to find out which one. A31. So A31 is equal to A plus 30D, n minus 1, n is here 31, 30D. So A is negative 32 plus 30 into 7. So negative 32 plus 30 into 7 is 210. 210 minus 32. So 8, here 1, 9, 10 it will come, 178 you will get. Then that is our A31. So 31th term is 178. So how we started from A11, that is A11 is equal to A plus 10D, and A16 is equal to 73. First find out D value, then find out A value, then put it in the equation. Put it in the equation, which one? A31 is equal to A plus 30D, and find out that one. Okay. Eighth one. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find 29th term. So it is given, it consists of 50 terms. So our n is equal to 50. Now third term is given 12, that is A3 is equal to 12. Then last term, that is AN is equal to 106. AN, n means 50. A50 is equal to 106. So you are asked to find out A29, that is 29th term you have to find out. So to know 29th term you need A and D. Okay, so let us try to find out that one. A3 means what? A plus 2D, that is equal to 12. Then n is 50, so 50th term is 106. So A plus 49D, that is equal to 106. So A plus 2D is equal to 12 and A plus 49D is equal to 106. Now split this one. A plus 49D is equal to 106, or A plus 2D plus 47D is equal to 106, or A plus 2D is 12. 12 plus 47D is equal to 106, or 47D will be equal to 106 minus 12. that is equal to 94. So 47D is equal to 94 you are getting, or D is equal to 94 by 47. What is 94 by 47? That is equal to 2. So we got D is equal to 2. Now can you find out A from that one? So first equation, when you are putting in first equation, so A plus 2D is equal to 12, or A plus 2 into D value is 2, that is equal to 12, or A plus 4 is equal to 12, or A is equal to 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. So A value got as 8. Now after finding that one, can you able to find 29? So A29 will be equal to A plus 28D. What is A? Our A is equal to 8. What is our D? 2. So A is 28D. Now 28 into 2, 8 plus 16, 5, 56. A29 will be equal to 64. Okay, so 29th term is 64. So how we started from whatever given there, that is A3, that is equal to A plus 2D. Then AN, that last term, how will you find out N? They have already given only 50 terms are there. So last term 106 means N is 50, and N is 50, so that is A plus 49, D is equal to 106. Then we find out B, afterwards A, then after getting A and D, A29 will be A plus 28D.